welcome to Jason's Acoustic Workshop. This is lesson 11, and today we're going to be doing a simple little song called Tennessee Whiskey by David Allen Coe. And we're going to be doing this in the key of G. So you're going to have G, C, and D. Those are the three chords we'll be doing today, and we will be doing it in the number 3 basic strumming style. Okay, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go to lesson 10 and you will see. If you don't know what chords I'm talking about, go to lesson 5 through 7 and you will see all the chords right there, all the major chords. Okay, so let's get to Tennessee Whiskey by David Allen Coe. Alright, here we go, Tennessee Whiskey in the key of G, G, C, and D. And we're going to be doing the standard G, not the alternate G. And we'll be doing the number 3 strumming style with the pick, basically 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, here we go. Tennessee Whiskey by David Allen Coe. 1, 2, 3, 4. Used to spend my nights out in a barroom. Liquor was the only love I know. She rescued me from reaching brought me back from being too far gone. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy, and I stay stoned on your love all the time. Look for love in all the same places. Found the bottom of the bottle's always dry, but when you poured out your heart, I didn't waste it. There's nothing like your love to get me high. You're as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. You're as sweet as strawberry wine. You're as warm as a glass of brandy, and I stay stoned on your love all the time. Yes, I stay stoned on your love all the time. Alright, that was David Allen Coe's Tennessee Whiskey in the key of G. Like I said, we did chords G, C, and D. Very simple song. It can be jazzed up a little bit, but that's for a later lesson. We will revisit that song later on in these lessons. But I know people have heard the Chris Stapleton version. I prefer the David Allen Coe version because it's a little bit faster than the Chris Stapleton version. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and please practice. Practice your strumming, practice the chord transitioning. Very important that you practice the chord transitioning to go from chord to chord. And in the next lesson, lesson 12, we'll be doing bar chords, because those are very important also. So we're going to be doing bar chords F, G, and A. Okay, so we'll see you then. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, tell your friends about it, and comment on these videos. I want to hear what you think. And also, if you have any questions, go to Jason's Acoustic Workshop at gmail.com and leave me a question, or just leave me a question in the comments, and I will answer them. So, until next time, you take care of yourself, take care of each other, and we'll see you in the next lesson.